Hey guys, what's going on? Treasure Gnome here. It's been a little while, I think just about a year now, since I actually made my last video. But I've been thinking about this the last couple months, coming back, giving you guys some new content and showing you guys what I'm doing to make, I want to say like everybody's passive income on the title, but I'm gonna make a different video for that, kind of telling you guys what the direction of the channel is gonna be going like in the future. But today I just kind of wanted to get back to where I left off, show you guys an update on Merch by Amazon, how it's going, and kind of what's been happening with my account. So nothing super different. I literally have not uploaded a single shirt since the last time I made a video for you guys. So if you want to see what an account looks like that hasn't been touched for a full year, this is what you got, man. So, I mean, this is truly the only source I have of passive income right now, um, for like print on demand and stuff. I mean, Etsy is pretty much there, but I still have to go in there and do some customer service. And that's doing pretty well as well. Maybe I'll show that in another video. But I want to just kind of show you guys a breakdown. I think literally the last time I made a video was in March last year. So this is what it looks like. I think we pulled in about 40, just under $40,000 for the year, which is really fucking awesome. Considering I didn't, I didn't upload a shirt, so this is work I did. If you look back, this is work I've done just from building the account from 2016 on. So I built. You guys watch me build it on the YouTube channel. If you haven't, there's tons of videos back there. I designed thousands of shirts, probably like 3 or 4 thousand shirts, and just ramped up my account. And then I think in March or maybe even January 2018, I completely stopped. I was happy where my numbers were, and I said, all right. I mean, if you guys are doing merch, it gets a little monotonous. So I said, I'm gonna go work on another stream. Um, Maybe I'll come back to this eventually, but this is good. It all gave me the freedom I needed to have a cushion so I could go start building other streams because I'm the kind of guy, from the start. You guys know I was in eBay. I don't like having all my books. Well, that doesn't make sense. All my marbles in one purse. All my what the fuck? I don't know what the expression is, but we'll just say, yeah. All my. I'm not gonna keep messing this up, but I'm trying to diversify my income streams, and I got a couple new ones. Etsy was one. I started a new YouTube channel called the Crypto Gnome that's all based on crypto. So that's kind of what I've been building the last year, and that's been doing super well. I have an awesome community over there. So like really building like the YouTube communities kind of followed the passion in what I was doing. I didn't continue it all on this channel because it was so different that I didn't you guys, I formed like a relationship with you guys through YouTube, through commenting, through the from those of you that have joined the Discord. There's links for that down below. So I want to get that going again, like that community aspect. If you guys are interested, there's a link. It's completely free, for the Discord and the Facebook. And all we're doing there is taking it off like the comment section and stuff on YouTube. And it's kind of like I want to build these masterminds where we can help each other just through text, and like when you get a minute or you can go back and see what people are saying. So I mean, if you're looking for that kind of stuff and like that insight and that one-on-one with me and other people that are making like having success, like that's what makes this stuff work better. I'm telling you, just from coming over in the last space that I was in crypto, which I'm still also doing. um I that was my biggest epiphany there. Just networking with everybody, it opens up so many more opportunities that like you just can't replicate that. Um, you, if you're only in your one track, it's harder. And you guys know that from the eBay and the merch community. But I don't want to get into it. I'm just showing you guys this account to kind of show you where I've been at with this because I've been very transparent with you along with my journey with this stuff. And I want to help you guys. So if you have questions, like join the communities down below, ask away. Let me know how you're doing because I know a lot of people have said, well, you started this long ago. It's really hard now. Like I have a second account that I started building just to like prove that stuff wrong. And I can show that in another video. But I only have 17 designs up, and I do a couple sales every week. So it's all about research and stuff like that. We'll do some updated stuff. I know the landscape has changed tremendously because of Amazon, because of the new products, stuff like that. But it really comes down to doing like some good niche research. It's really simpler than you guys might think. I know some people, there's some new YouTubers and stuff like that. I got to catch up with the space on merch, but I'm still gonna actively like a little bit add here and there. But it's really simple, guys. It all comes down just like any other space. Keywords, niche. You're finding the right niche that's not too saturated, and like a good design, unique, catchy, stuff like that. That's what sells for me. I'm not kidding. Like they're timeless designs that just like fit in a niche. They sell. I boosted them with AMS. You got to use AMS. The more competitive the space gets, you're gonna have to advertise and get those sales coming in to get up and get some reviews. Once you get some reviews, you can turn it down. But I still run ads like really. I have a whole video about that, running really low cost per click ads, and then um, you just let it go. You might say, "Oh well, I'm not getting enough clicks or stuff," but what happens is you'll have days when no one else is competing for certain words that you are, and you're just gonna be at the top, and you're gonna pay super cheap, and just by you keeping your ads running, you're gonna get sales because of that. So it's all long game process. Like this is nothing that's gonna happen in a hurry. I know you guys know that, but that's my update. I don't want to be too drawn out here. I know it's been a while, but I'm happy to be making this video. I'm getting good vibes right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit the thumbs up button, and please if you're here still, let me know in the comments below what other stuff you want to see. So I already know I'm going to be talking about KDP. I'm going to be talking about Audible publishing. I'm going to be talking about um, a little bit more about Etsy. I'm going to be I cleared out literally last year. I cleared out my entire eBay inventory. I think it was something like 15. I had a lot of listings up. I put everything on sale and cleared out $15,000 worth of eBay inventory. So I have an empty store. I'm in the process of like moving my office right now. So when that changes, um, I'm gonna be way more selective with my eBay, but I think I'm gonna start doing some eBay stuff again too, just because I miss it. Not that I necessarily want to do it. I'm not gonna go full scale clothing like I was before, just because I don't need to. I don't need to hustle that hard. Like if you guys know, it's fucking hustle to do that. So and it takes up a lot more time, but I am going to be thrifting for stuff, and then when I find those high ticket items, I am thinking about opening up a small store just so I can do that stuff, or maybe just find stuff for myself and share. Um, but enough of me blabbing on. We'll see you in the next video. Like I said, comment below or join the groups if you guys want to give me some input on what you want to see, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.